Psychotic, the wall of life cycle. Hello guys, this is the first tutorial of Python. So I just want to wait to see you this first line of code you're just going to run. If you are full beginner programming and new to programming, it's going to be the first line of code you're doing. Or you're just have done some program and you just come to learn for Python, it's going to be very familiar for you some of the concepts. But so this Python syntax is very hard. No, as like Java, it doesn't have semicolons and all many things. But there is very hard to learn because it's a very high level language. It has so many things, but I said it's easy concepts. So many to learn, but it is very easy. That is Python is. And actually, Python Python is one of the mathematical languages I just said in the last tutorial. So we're just going to write the first line of code here. I'm going to say it. See this one. So the first line of code is called hello world program. So we're just gonna name this one as hello world. In camel case, I just say what's camel case after this, in some tutorials. In this get object oriented programming, I say about camel case. So this is going to be very nice. So the hello world program asks them us to do is to print hello world in your console. This is going to be very nice, and you just see for run this line of code you just would write control plus enter, or you can just do shift plus enter and it could insert a new cell down of it. You could just always print hello like this, hello like this, and it's going to print so many things. I just say is that you just do calculations like 2 plus 6 divided by 6 divided into 10 minus 15 divided by 20 then given to 55 plus 77 into 99. And this whole line of code is going to giving this whole calculations in one hit, and it's going to be very fun. Yeah, that's why I said Python is a mathematical language. So wait to say it, and until then, enjoy Python.